Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to use banner in Shopping Worlds elements. Go to Marketing and Shopping Worlds. Click on Edit. Now go to Elements tab. Drag and drop the banner. Click on Edit. Now select your image. Add links. Click Save. Now click on Edit. Now select your image. Add links. Click Save. Refresh the page to see the changes. Now set the banner according to tablet landscape. Now set the banner according to mobile landscape. Now set the banner according to tablet portrait. Now set the banner according to mobile portrait. Click Save. Changes have been saved successfully. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.